3, 2, 1, get
Shut up, clock in and load up. Kill confirmed.
Are we rushing in, or are we going sneaky beaky like? Patience. Don't do anything stupid. Stay frosty.
What did you get over here like that?
I'm hit.
Kill confirmed, kill confirmed. Kill confirmed. Hit! Good shot. Well played, bud. Go on, confirm me. Confirm. Come on!
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams.
Oh, you're dead. Sorry, bud. Sorry, guys. Oh, you hit. Sorry, bud. Sorry, guys. Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed. No! Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed.
Oh my word!
Yeah!
I'll get you back.
Come for me.
Come and have a go if you think you're hard enough.
We're all going to say none for you next time.
Yellow, yellow. Come on in, come on in. Oh, kill confirmed. I got fucking loads. I got loads. It's. Oh, well played, bud.
Oh, dead! Oh, fucking nuts!
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Yellow medic, yellow medic, yellow medic. Please. I'm fucking dead. Woo! You were gonna revive him, weren't you? I seen you. Oh, last round. Change your mag. Back up. Nice. Hi. What? Good thing you fucking missed then, isn't it? Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed. Oh! Well played, bud.
Great shot. You got him.
GG, bro.
GG. Well played, guys. Well played.
You get for shooting me twice.
Well played, mate. Kill confirmed me. Kill confirmed me.
Yeah,
There you go. Well played, mate. That way, straight for Newtown. How you going? Kill confirmed. Oh, good shot. Kill confirmed. They got one. That's fine. Demand. Quick. Down.
Hold.
Sorry, bud.
Alright. Confirm your kill first if you want.
Kill confirmed.
Dead man.
Kill confirmed. Just push back, that's wrong. Back. Remember, kill confirmed.
Yeah, come here.
Kill confirmed.
Oh, shit.
Okay, I got him.
Confirmed.
Well played, mate. Well played, bud. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Okay. We shall try that again. Hit! Well played, bud. Go on, confirm me. Army tit! Army back! Dead man! Hi, dead man!
Sorry, pal.
Did I be hitting me there?
Oh no, it looks okay to me with his boot, but there's a shoulder of someone else over the line. Yeah.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Ah. Oh.
Number one there.
Hi. Oh. Good shot, mate. Come confirm it.
I never take doubt as a lesson. I never second guess it. Take negativity and reject it. I got my mind blind to rejection, so I'll be just fine. Don't be wasting any time with discretion. I run this campaign like I'm running an election. I pop this champagne like we're not in a recession. I feel no damn pain. Ibuprofen is a blessing. Feel it pumping through my veins. Got me feeling like I'm flexing, yeah.